Introducing the Flexo printer slaughter die cutter and stacker machine. This machine is designed to transform raw cardboard into precisely tailored boxes to meet your specific requirements. It has these advantages. The body material is cast steel after 24 hours of heat treatment and 2-stage annealing, CNC machine tool processing, high strength, high precision. The transmission gear is all helical gear, low noise, high precision, and the use of automatic circulation lubrication, saving time and labor. Gear material is 20 CRMNTI alloy steel by high-frequency heating grinding. More durable. The main bearing adopts the famous Japanese brand NSK. Well-known brands can be trusted. Whole machine with automatic inking washing system. Make your production process more convenient. The whole die cutting unit also adopts CT servo motor independent drive, make cutting precision high and printing quality increase. Moreover, they boast the following unique advantages. Phase adjustment is servo adjustment, high precision, fast adjustment speed. Slotting unit carton size adjustment automatic, can choose single shaft 3 layers creaser or double slotting shaft 2 layers creaser. All machine can be remote monitoring. HMI can connect Wi-Fi for easy maintenance. Machine will automatic production management system can connect with producer ERP system. The production status and quantity of various orders can be queried and controlled in the office. Facilitate your adjustment at every step. The high quality of the machine determines its efficiency and can achieve production speeds of up to 15,000 pieces per hour. If you are interested in our products, please contact us via email or subscribe to our channel to learn about the latest industry trends and more product information.